let's make a vanishing point here, another one here. Now let's take a line from here, another one from here, this way. Let's continue this one, this one. So now we have a line coming from the horizon to here. Let's make another one like this, and another one from here, something like that. What will happen now? Let's say I want this line to be here and here. Let's draw a building. So if I want this roof line, I want it to reach this point, yeah? And this roof line, I want it to meet this vanishing point here. So it will be like that. Let's say we have some kind of rooftop here. So the roof line will meet the vanishing point here, like this. If I want another, let's say we are drawing another building. Let's take from here, like that. It will go to the same vanishing point. So this is a higher building than the first one, yeah? Now we want the other side of the building. It will meet this line here. So let's make it like this. We'll go to the same line and like that. Now, if I take another line from the vanishing point, we will have the rooftop of this building, yeah? Like this. And this one will go here, like this, to the other vanishing point. What will happen if we are drawing a higher building, like let's say a building that reaches this height? Because it's so high, we will not see the roof, because if I take one side of the building going to this horizon, to this vanishing point, it will go like this. So we are not able to see the roof. And the other side of the building will come to this point like this, right? You see. What about a small building here, like this? All the time I want the angle to go to this vanishing point. And the other angle of the roof will go to this vanishing point, like this. And this one, like this, the other side. And will connect to this vanishing point, like this. And the other side of the building, you see how we can judge everything? Like this. This side will go down. What about if we have some kind of arch here? It will connect. We will see this side from the inside, like this. And we can keep going all the time to the vanishing point. Now this one, because it's a lower building, we will see the roof line. And I will continue like that. Let's say another one here. We'll go to this point. This way we can always get the right angle of every building that we paint. Another roof. Okay, let me keep going. Then we can, you see, if I'm painting, if I'm drawing the floors, everyone will go to this point. Let me keep going. I will fast forward and you will see the result. That's it. You get the idea. Always follow the horizon line and the vanishing points. Everything goes to the vanishing points. And you can go and keep going, and more details and more windows and doors and everything, and never-ending story. I hope this video was helpful. Do it. See you next time.